If you're looking for a professional residential or commercial HVAC contractor, then call us today. Keeping people cool in the summer and warm in the winter is our #1 priority. We are HVAC experts that keep current on the latest heating and cooling technologies. Every project is unique. After working with you to fully understand your needs, we will provide you with a plan that's right for you, that is reliable, sustainable, and affordable. You'll receive an itemized proposal so you'll know exactly what products and services you'll receive and their guarantees. You're safe in knowing that we have all the proper licenses and insurances in place and will during the entire project. There's more you should know about why you should consider us to be your HVAC contractor. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.